Hi everyone, welcome back to Ibtisama Diary. I am Ibtisama. I hope all the women are doing well. A warm, happy Women's Day wishes to all the gorgeous women out there. And just take a minute and appreciate yourself because you are doing very, very, very well. And it takes nothing to appreciate your own self. So let's begin with today's recipe. This is one of my mother's simplest recipe which I love after biryani. This is a vegetarian version of biryani. So it's a simple dish and the dish name is vegetable pulao, and you require minimal amount of vegetables. So here I've taken one large tomato, onion, some carrots, some green chilies, some peas, some beans and onion and some mint leaves. Now I'm just going to wash the rice and soak it for around 10 minutes. So first comes first, I'm going to heat some oil into a pot. I've taken 3 spoons of oil. I'm going to add 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. I'm going to add some onions and I'm just going to fry it, and once it is fried I'm going to add some green chilies. Now I'm going to add 1.5 spoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry this ginger and garlic paste until it turns its color. Once done, now you can start adding your vegetables. The vegetables can be of your own choice. Here I have included potatoes too. The vegetables can be of your own wish. Now let's add the spices. I've taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to your taste. And let us give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. Here I have added half cup of beaten curd. You can squeeze a lemon too. Add some fresh mint leaves. Before adding the water, let's add the rice and just toast it for around 5 minutes so that you can get toasty bites. And make sure that you gently mix the rice because it's soaked, so the grain may break. And after this I'm just going to add some water. For 1 cup of rice I'm adding 2 cups of water. It depends on the quality of the rice you are using. Let the rice cook. Once the water is absorbed, place a heavy bottom tawa and place the pot upon it for around 15 minutes on low flame. And once you see that the steam is coming out, the rice is ready to serve. I've just served with mint chutney, which I'll be sharing you the recipe very soon. And after having my dinner, I had been to a walk. Do try this recipe, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Until my next video, stay connected.